Today, I will be giving you a tutorial on how to access the Leader in Me website and how to find great resources to use in your lesson plans. The first thing I'm going to show you how to do on the Leader in Me website is how to sign in. This is the home page of the Leader in Me website. There are two options you have upon seeing the home page. You can click the button that says sign into your account, or you can click sign in the top right hand corner. Once you click sign in, you want to go to user sign in. Then you want to sign in. Once you have signed in, you should see your home page inside the Leader in Me website. You should see your school and your name. Here's how we access resources on the Leader in Me website. You have two options. You can use the search bar and type in something specifically you want to find, or on the left-hand side, you can click on the resource library. I'm going to go ahead and click on the resource library. Here is the resource library. Just like on a typical social media platform, you are able to favorite some of these resources that end up staying in your favorite resources folder. If you go to all resources at the top, you are able to filter out what you're looking for. Let's say I'm doing a lesson on Habit 1. If I look on the left-hand side, I see 7 habits under Leader in Me content. I can drop this down and click on Habit 1. Let's say I want to find an activity under resource types. I can click for activities. Let's say I'm looking for a lesson for 4th grade. Under grade level, I'll go to level 4. If you notice, some of these resources are not in English. I need to go to language and click on English. Now I have 2 activities that I can use in 4th grade for Habit 1. Now, let's say that I know specifically what I want. Let's say I just want to find something around Synergize. I can type in Synergize in the search bar and click search. Then all of the resources for Synergize pop up. Again, you have this sidebar on the left-hand side and help filter out things that you don't need to see. All right, I'm back at the home page. The last thing I want to show you how to do on this website is how to contact support if you can't find something or you have a question. So you will always see it in the bottom right-hand corner and it says contact support. So you click on it. Your email address should already be imported. All you need to do is add a message title and a body. And then you click create support ticket. This has been a tutorial on how to access resources on the Leader in Me website.